What's good, tech family? Urban Tech Reviews, and today's Apple tips in under a minute is how to put your phone on airplane mode. So say you're in the airplane and they're like, hey, everybody put your phone in airplane mode, you know what I mean? So the plane don't nosedive on us. This is how you do it. You scroll from the top of the screen, boom, you see this little airplane, it's on your thing right over top of your Wi-Fi. You click that, it's orange. You are now in airplane mode. So if you're one of the people that struggle with the scrolling from the top of the screen, you know what I mean, pulling it down from the top of the screen, then this is the second way that you can do it. You can go into your settings. Once you click your settings, you see Apple right under your right above your Wi-Fi, you see airplane mode. You can toggle it on or off. If you toggle it on, it'll be green. If you toggle it off, it won't be any color. It'll be shaded. That's how you know it. That's how you do it. So this is Apple tips in under a minute. If this video helped you in any way, you can let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that by clicking on my logo in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all social media sites, then all of that information is in the description. Till the next time, tech family, we out.